Ministries invites you to Mom and Pop Williams' Down Home Gospel Jamboree, celebrating the Williams Brothers' 50th year in gospel music, featuring the #1 quartet and 10-time Stellar Award winner Lee Williams and the Spiritual QCs, the Williams Brothers, Daryl McFadden and the Disciples, the legendary Spencer Taylor and the Highway QCs, Bob Holloway and the Southern Sons, with special guest comedian D.L. Henry as your MC. Come on out on Saturday, November 27th, 5:30 p.m. to the Pine Grove Wellness Center, Highway 98 West, Summit, Mississippi. All seats reserved. For tickets and information, call 601-810-2684 or 601-276-2134. Hosted by Pastor Oliver and Lady Belva Smith.
So y'all might get to be a witness here. Lord, I don't bother nobody. I try to treat everybody the same. But y'all know what? Just as soon as I try to make a start for you, Jesus, hey, so-called saints scandalize my name. For me a home. Y'all know what? If I can't help my brothers and sisters, y'all know what I'll do? I'll leave them alone. Oh, I'm trying so hard. Yes, I am trying so hard just to make it. I wonder, can y'all help me one more time? If I could say a word, come on, all I wanna do is help somebody. It's all right. Yeah. And I can just pray and pray. How many of you are praying for somebody else? Just to help some sinner boys through some sin. Oh, yeah. Tell me, what would you do? Yeah. Look to the hill. And I'll ask the Lord. If I say it right, how are y'all? I heard him, he told me, if I only say it leave me alone. Well, he told me, if I pray right, only will pray right. If you're holding on, hold it right hand up for me. For you, Lord, I want you to make and mold just anyway. I will. I got another thing to see. People are dying. They're killing on every hand. Some are just going astray, Lord, all over this land. But one day I told him to send me. All you gotta do is just tell me, and then I want you to make and mold just anyway. I will. Y'all let me say it again. People are dying. They're killing on every hand. Some are just going astray, y'all, all over this land. But one day I told him just send me. All you gotta do is just tell me, and then I want you to make and mold just anyway. I will. Yeah, yeah, have your way. Come on.
Men and Hearts Ministries invites you to Mom and Pop Williams Down Home Gospel Jamboree, celebrating the Williams Brothers' 50th year in gospel music, featuring the #1 quartet and 10-time Stellar Award winner Lee Williams and the Spiritual QCs, the Williams Brothers, Gabriel McFadden and the Disciples, the legendary Spencer Taylor and the Highway QCs, Bob Holloway and the Southern Sons, special guest, MC and comedian D.R. Henry. It will take place at Time Grow Wellness Center, 3160 Highway 98 West, Summit, Mississippi. Saturday, November the 27th at 5:30 p.m. For more information and tickets, please call host Pastor Oliver and Lady Belva Smith, 601-810-2684, 601-276-2134. Again, we want to see you there.
I'm taking my lesson.
Hi, I'm Evangelist Renee Washington, the host of One of the Truth and Gospel videos, which airs weekly here on Channel 22.
See, so good to see. You better, so good to see. So good to see. You gonna read. Oh yeah. Just what you sow. You can be on the mountain. On the mountain. You can be in the valley. In the valley. You gonna read. Oh yeah. Just what you sow. So good to see, so good to see. You better, so good to see, so good to see. You gonna read, oh yeah, just what you sow. What I want you to do is tell your neighbor, go and tell your friend, tell them they got to read, oh yeah, just what. Let me tell you what people will do sometimes. People will do anything to get to the top, and they won't even look around. If you don't sow good seeds on your way up, one day you will surely come down. You better sow good seed, sow good seed, sow good seed, yeah, sow good seed. Oh, you gonna read, oh yeah, just what you sow. You can't get too high, you can be on the mountain.
Well, welcome to another week of Word of Truth and Gospel videos with your host, Evangelist Renee Washington. Yes, I hope you enjoyed those gospel videos. That was Doc McKenzie and the highlights. That's right, he will be in Baton Rouge, Louisiana on 5th Sunday, October the 31st as the Lighthouse Seniors celebrate their anniversary. They look to see you there. Dr. McKenzie Highlight will be there. Also, you saw, yes you did, you saw Spencer Taylor and the Highway QCs, along with Lee Williams and the Spiritual QCs. And yes, you saw that commercial. They are on their way to South Mississippi. That's right, they will be in Summit, Mississippi, God's willing, on November the 27th. Don't you dare not get your ticket. You need a ticket for that program. Seats are reserved. All seats are reserved. Children from 6 to 12, $12.50 at the door only. They have allowed so many seats to be available for the kids that may come with their parents that can't get a ticket, and then all the other seats are reserved by ticket, so you don't want to wait till the last minute to get your ticket. And another thing, if the tickets sell out, they are considering doing another program either earlier that day or after the first program that night. It just depends on you all, if you all want to come in numbers. If you want to come in numbers, once all the tickets are sold for the first show, they will let you know, and therefore they can start selling tickets for a second show. Well, I hope you saw the commercials, those who sponsor us, and you paid attention to it. And we want to give a shout out to those on Bonita Street in the Hammond, Louisiana area. We thank you for what you did. And for all of you that always give donations and sow seeds, we thank each and every one of you, because you are making the difference for someone to see this program, and that we can get the word out about what's happening in the gospel arena. Well, we're getting ready to bring you some more great gospel music, and we hope you will enjoy it. We have the Dynamic Holy Spiritual Layers and the Vestal Singers. Yes, they will be in Hammond, Louisiana on November the 28th. That's right. We're going to make that announcement before we leave the air. But they will be in Hammond, Louisiana, backed by popular demand for both of them, the Vestal Singers as well as the Dynamic Holy Spiritual Layers. Give a watch and listen if you will.